Hi guys, this is Tiffany with High Seas Cruising. Today we are at our local Walmart. We are blessed enough to be able to help the Salvation Army with their Angel Tree program. Today we are going to be shopping for Mariah and Miguel, and we are looking forward to helping spread the Christmas joy to these less fortunate kids. We will see you soon. Hi guys, this is Tiffany again with High Seas Cruising. Just letting you know what all we got for the kids that we picked from the Angel Tree. We had Mariah and Miguel. So we had a lot of fun doing the shopping for them. So let's see what all we got them. So Mariah wanted a JoJo doll, so we got her a JoJo doll. And they needed underwear. So we got underwear for both of them. Got Mariah a cute little cup that's full of bath bombs and a scrubby. And got one for Miguel. Got Miguel a little shirt and some pants to match. Can always use more clothes. And some dinosaur jammies. And we got Mariah some jammies. And Miguel, we got him a Captain America, because every little boy needs a superhero. And some Hot Wheels. We also got Mariah. She seems to be a big JoJo fan, so we got her some little surprise JoJos. One way that you can know what to get the kids is on the cards on the back is their name and their age and their sizes and their wish list. So we were able to get things that they wanted and we knew they needed. We know they needed socks, so we got socks for both kids. And got Mariah a little outfit. And then, like I said, Mariah is a JoJo fan, so we got her a blanket, a throw blanket that's JoJo. So we hope this helps the kids have a better Christmas. So now we got their bags ready to go. Gotta be smarter than the bag. I think the bags might be a little big, but that's okay. Captain America. Then we'll just seal this onto the, or put it in the bag, and we'll deliver these first thing tomorrow morning so that they can get taken to the kids so that they have them on Christmas. Now anybody can pick trees from the angel tree, or pick angels from the angel tree. They do have them throughout the communities, or you can contact the Salvation Army and find out where your local angel tree is. There is still a little bit of time to get these, but they do have deadlines, so if you're interested, definitely look it up. Otherwise, we will be dropping these off in the morning first thing, and until then, we'll see you on the high seas.